In this video here, me and my daughter out hanging out, going out to daddy-daughter dinner, and I thought to myself, you know what, let's get some exhaust sound from the Stainless Works long tube headers into their Y pipe with the high flow cats, and into the factory exhaust system from the Y pipe back, and this is what it sounds like. You can hear her laughing in the video. She's having a good time because as she looks down on the ground, there's a pineapple behind her, and for some reason she starts giggling while she's recording, and you can hear it in the video. But this is what it sounds like with the Stainless Works exhaust, the long tube headers into the factory muffler resonator. Check it out.